Hey guys, it's me Max again. So, you know what I decided to do today? I decided, how about if I will take these Viture glasses? I don't know what kind of model it is because I bought it for my own money, guys. So my reviews are really so real, no bullshit and everything. So I took this Viture. I didn't take my Quest 3, as you could see from the previous video, and I will review more, guys. I just cannot buy all those new VR sets that what is it? Oh, that are coming out. It's just impossible. What was it? Ah, okay. So, uh, I'm using this Viture thing, and also, but I'm sorry, I'm not scripted at all. Maybe I should get scripted or something. Oh, and these glasses, right? It's what the fuck? RayNeo, I think it's called. So, but right now I'm wearing these Viture glasses. I don't know what is it, Pro, Ni Pro. I don't know. Like I don't know how you can tell because like they're coming with all those new names all the time. Luna. I don't. To be honest. So, and you know what? So I tried those first, right? I mean the RayNeo, and I think it would just would look crazy if I would drive. Class 3. I think it would be so fucked up. Okay, it doesn't matter. Okay, so I'm driving right now. You can see me driving. I will install the phone. And you can see me fucking driving. Hold on. So you can see me driving in these Ray Bans, right? You know that you can actually switch over here when you blocking everything with like shades. So it's either completely black, guys, and you see nothing, just like a little bit, just some shades or something. And if you press it once, booyah! I don't know if you can adjust it more like in details, but booyah! So let's see how it drives. Uh, so I see right now what I'm seeing. Maybe I can show this. Oh no, but I don't know. Wait, wait. So you see it's black, like completely, and then boom, and блядь. Can you see through them? Hold on. Uh. Блядь, I don't know, guys. I don't know. So technically, what I see, I hopefully, if you will like stop, stop the screen. Come on. Oh, can you see something? Hopefully you do, guys. I'm not that good with all this technical stuff, so that's why I'm doing this review. So I'm like almost like any of you guys, but oh, I see myself again. So again, this just one. We talking about this is I don't know. It was the best model just 2 months ago. Right now, I don't know. They have Luma, Nuna. I don't know. I would review them, guys. I really want to buy them all. Trust me. But you see, the funny thing is, I contacted this. I don't want to name the company. It was confidential, and I told them, guys, you know what? I can promote your stuff, but I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna tell people what regular people that actually making their living, working hard or hardly working, doesn't matter. Okay, so I told them, you know what? Not gonna name the company, but good company, great product in my opinion. But I cannot just spend $2,000 on this fucking VR set just to fucking review it. And I told them, just send it to me. I'll review it. I'll send it back to you. Not gonna give you the name, guys. It's confidential. Let's put it this way: looks beautiful. Promises are just fucking great. But I just cannot fucking afford it right now. I'm in the middle of a nasty divorce. But who the fuck cares, right? I just moved into Los Angeles from New York. I'm enjoying the weather. Like I'm still, thank God, I'm still working at it. But it's too much information for now. So let's drive. So it's like more like block, not a fucking review. Okay, I will try to drive, guys, in Quest 3 at some point. Hopefully, maybe. But can you fucking imagine me like in Quest 3 right now? Like right now, nobody even let me wear the fucking hat. And you will see, guys, what I'm talking about. You're not gonna be able to even fucking, where is the fucking hat? Hold on. Head! What the fuck are you? Ugh. So Let me wear the fucking hat. You know me, army style. So let me just fucking wear it. Okay, now tell me the fucking difference between, I don't know, Ray Bans Ray, whatever the fuck, or these glasses. And I see myself right now. Do 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 do. Hoo, hoo. I don't know how to record, but guys, it's just so fucking amazing. Okay, so let's fucking try to drive and not kill myself or somebody else. Okay. I hope police will never see it. I don't know how legal it is, guys. You know, this maybe fucking illegal what I'm doing right now. Just to review, guys. Just to, and I'm not asking you for any donations. Just fucking share. Just share, like, and share. You know, like I don't want to sound like this bull. Fuck you. Don't like and share. Fuck you. I'm gonna do my reviews. You like it, you watch it, you share it. You don't want to like it, you don't want to share it. Fuck you. Don't share it. Don't like it. I don't care. I don't care. I'm not in it for money. You know, like it's kind of strange right now a little bit because I'm kind of. You need to get used to it. So I see myself like I see this. No, I see the screen of my and I see the whole thing around me, and it's kind of not that dark, but fuck, unusual. What if I'm gonna fuck? I don't know. Maybe camera will stop. Also. Okay, definitely will take some time. Блядь. Well, I will get into an accident like that. Definitely will take some time to get adjusted, so let me fucking park somewhere because I'm gonna kill myself and fuck me, but I can kill some innocent pedestrian just walking. Minding his own business. Booyah! Blah. He's killed for what? For reviewing. So it's gonna be another. You can actually consider it as the start of the war of the machines with humanity. Yeah, can you imagine like that? Okay, fuck that bullshit. So I tried this, right? You know that they have this magnetic clip. Oh yeah, it was whatever it was. I hope camera will not shut off. No. So it was this Viture. I don't know what model, but when I bought it, so it has this adjustable diopters. Great quality, but this part is not bendable. Everything. This magnetic clip. Okay, you can see it in my previous video. So we just put it aside. Very interesting experience. Very experience. So and we take instead of this, we take different. Блядь, я нахуй, сука. Это не то, блядь. Это не то, блядь. А вот они. Okay, so we take this beautiful pair of. By the way, these ones are fucking bendable. And this one's fucking bendable. Oy, oy, oy. But no magnetically. But I don't know if it's better or worse. Magnetically, sometimes it just like snaps off. But maybe you want it to snap off, so you have your glasses on your face, not somewhere in ditches. So, okay, it's Rio. Guys, I'm sorry, my users are so long. First of all, I'm a little bit high. Oh, if you will see the ass I see. Too old for that bullshit. Okay, so I even forgot what I was talking about for a second. Oh, don't think that I'm like high and driving. No, never drive under the influence. Never ever. I'm just, it's a my scenic kind of like. Look, of course, I don't even do drugs. Are you kidding me? Even weed. Phew, never tried it. I heard somebody. I read it somewhere in the book that it smells like skunk. Why would they put it in my mouth? Ugh. So we taking. Don't do drugs and alcohol. Do sports, bleh, sports. So we take these things so connected here, bendable things. Oh, no, you can see it from a previous view, no adjustable anything. So, but comes with the, I believe, like with the sample. So I believe these lenses can be either taken out and those can be other ones can be installed or as a sample. So you can get like prescriptions. I understand mounted either on top of these lenses or instead of it. I'm not really sure, bro. But it is what it is. So let's with no further ado, блядь, втыкаю.